see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
Hi everyone, so I'm back with one of my favorite videos to film, and you guys know I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed with home decor, and I recently made few changes to my home which I thought to share in today's video.
From your hands and your body, it hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
Okay, so I know this living room is a mess presently, as you guys are looking at it right here, is a mess, but we recently actually just painted the living room. If you used to watch my clean with me videos, you guys know that we had kind of a brownish tan wallpaper in the living room, but then we decided to just paint it just to make sure we lighten up the living room, because sometimes the living room can be really dark because of that wallpaper. So we brought everything down and decided to just paint the living room all white. So everywhere was just a mess, but I was like, you know what, I'm not just gonna bother myself until I have the time to just go ahead and fix everything. So what I did was I just left it, and now this weekend I had the time to just go over and clean it up. And also I received a brand new rug from boutiquerug.com. As you all can see, I have kind of a fur rug right here, but you guys, for some reason I feel like fur is always good during the winter, and then you need a flat rug during the summer. And as you all can see, this rug is a mess, it's all soiled. I have to take it down to be washed because the kids, they use the living room, and you guys, it's just a mess. But I'm so thankful because I have a brand new rug. I'm just gonna be displaying for you guys in a moment.
Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love.
But yeah, the rug is from Boutique Rug. As you all can see, this is so pretty. I can't even wait for you guys to see it. When I opened it up, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that rug, you guys. So it has kind of a combination of gray and white, and also kind of beige. The beige in the color is not obvious, but it has gray, cream and beige, and I absolutely love this rug, guys. I love the texture, the quality. Oh my gosh. And the size I have right here is I think 9 by 12. I actually made a mistake when I bought the previous rug I just took out, right? I bought a 8 by 10, and I noticed that because of the fact that you have to make sure that your furniture is at least touching a little bit of your rug, right? So I moved my furniture all the way close so that it would be touching kind of a little bit of the rug, and that made my living room look so small. So I knew that 8 by 10 wasn't the right size for my living room, so I went for a 9 by 12, and this right here is just absolutely beautiful. Look at that detail, guys. And to be honest with you guys, shopping for rugs is one shopping I don't like doing, because it's you're not sure of the quality, especially when you're buying from online, right? But this right here, Boutique Rug, has a selection. When I mean a selection, I think they have over 1,000 rugs on their website, because when I went to their website, it got to a time I was so confused. But of course, I trusted their judgment, because most of my favorite home decor pages on Instagram, use Boutique Rug. So I knew I was in for a treat, with their rugs. And one amazing thing about it is the rugs actually can be really expensive, but this particular brand, they always have sale on their rug. And of course, I also received a 60% off discount for you guys, so I'm definitely gonna link that in my description box. So just imagine, we're talking of over half price of the rug. Upon their rugs are very cheap, they are very budget friendly, but then on top of it, I have a 60% off for you guys. So definitely check my description box for all the info. But like I said, the quality is amazing. And also, Boutique Rug deals with so many other home decor stuffs like lighting, home accents, their rugs, and of course you can choose whatever size of rug you want. I think it starts from 2 by 2 and all the way to I think 13 by something. So you can get, if you want a small rug you can get, if you want a big rug you can also.
When you're sweet talking to me, now I'm talking sweet about myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me.
So I'm going to go ahead and start wiping down, because after we painted, guys, I had dust, I had dirt, I had debris all over my furniture. But I already went ahead and cleaned my couch, and now I'm using one of my favorite cleaner, which is the sprayway cleaner. Absolutely love it, especially when we're working with glass. Like, you guys, I hate cleaning glass, but ever since I discovered this particular product, I've been enjoying cleaning my glass. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and drag my couch all the way to the rug. You guys, you see what I mean, right? When you're kind of arranging, oh my gosh, look how huge, look how open and how wide my living room looks right now. Like I was saying, when you're putting your furniture, you want to make sure that at least the feet of your furniture is touching a little bit of your rug, so that way it will look synchronized. You don't want to kind of make your rug look as if you're using an area rug. That's just the rule of thumb when you're pairing your rug and your couch. But I'm so excited how open, how white everywhere looks right now. Before, my living room used to be dingy, but right now everywhere is just open. And when I was done, guys, I noticed that the rug didn't blend so well with the curtain I had. So I knew that since the rug has kind of beige, which my living room couch is beige, and then it had kind of gray, I knew using this kind of I think that my curtain is stone, I think that's the color. I knew I had to change my curtain from kind of the pinkish cotton to this kind of gray cotton. So I went ahead also and changed up my cotton, and I feel like it just kind of tied the whole thing together, because when you look at the couch is beige, when you look at the rug it has gray, and then when you look at my cotton is gray. So it just synchronized and blended everything. And also, like I said, the rug has kind of bits and pieces of beige in it, so it just made everything come together. But of course, I just brought my cotton from my dryer. So I hate it when I hang my cotton and I can see creases on it. So I decided also to go ahead and steam it. Steaming your cotton actually takes it from to wow. That's one thing I've noticed. And also, if you want to create lines on your cotton, the best bet is to go ahead and iron it or just steam it. And please just take a moment and hit that like button if you're enjoying this video, guys. Just hit the like button.
Around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
Okay, so we're on to my favorite part. I went ahead and added this plant on that side of the living room, and also I knew my fireplace needed a little bit of touch up, so I decided to add that candle holder right there. And also for my bar section, although we don't drink, I decided to add some frame and also an accent piece right there. And I actually went to Wayfair and I bought a bench for that wine area right here. Hobby was actually helping me put them together while I was cleaning up the living room. So I have the bench and also that too right there. So he helped me fix everything up, and I went down and carried it up. And here we are with the bench, guys. I feel like it just it added a little bit of glam to that area, because that side of the living room sometimes it can look so bare, and that's exactly where I like to put my Christmas tree. So once I remove my Christmas tree, that area is always looking so bare. So I knew I had to add something there, and I feel like that bench it just added a little bit of a little bit of glam to that section. And also I went ahead and wiped down, because that area also, that back side also needed some wipes, because it needed some wipe down because it was kind of dusty. And then over here, normally I used to put my coffee table straight, but since I had a lot of room in my living room right now, I decided to keep it kind of horizontal, right? And I feel like it made it look so good. And also I decided to add some decorative book right on that coffee table. I added a flower vase, a decorative piece, and I recently picked up this these two boxes from Home Goods. Absolutely love them. It's kind of white, and it's white, it's not kind of, it's white, and then it had a design of bees on it. So I added those boxes, and also this candle stand. I added my my candle stand and also some candles on it, and I feel like it's just perfect. You know, the decor I had on the coffee table is just perfect. And then over here I went ahead and added some book ends, and then I added some accent piece that is an apple and also kind of a flower vase, and I feel like it just made my end table stand out. Like, I love designing my end table, guys. And then for my console table, actually this design I made it, but then the next day I was looking at it, I was like, I wasn't feeling it, so I decided to just separate it. So you guys are going to see the way I later designed my console table towards the end of the video. But yeah, this was what I came up with, you know, the day I cleaned my living room. But then the next day I wasn't just feeling it, so I changed it up. Like I said, you guys are going to see it by the end of the video.
Love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie?
And over here it's time to add some decorative pillows on the couch, and I have this cute decorative pillows I recently picked up from Home Goods, and yep, I knew I had to style it, so I decided to work with I think the big one is 26 by 26. I had those before, so I decided to add those with the new kind of floral pink 20-inch decorative pillow I just got from Home Goods. And yeah, I just went ahead, fixed up my pillows, and yeah, you know, there's just something about decorative pillows that kind of brings out your couch. And yeah, I just, you know, love how everything looks right now. And of course I went ahead also and added this stool, or this chair I told you guys about. And yep, guys, I think that is all there is. And also, of course, for my fireplace, I decided to add this beautiful throw blankets my sister-in-law recently bought for me. And yep, guys, I believe that is all there is to this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button below if you did enjoy, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'm gonna link everything you can see in my home in my description box alongside the rug, so definitely try and check that out. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body.